English Welsh future tense. I will go.
Av.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. We'll learn the English to Welsh future of to go.
Mynd.
From I will go
Av.
to they will go.
Byddan nhw'n mynd.
Warm up your tongue and your funny bone. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll talk about future plans like a champ. By the end, you can confidently say,
Af. Byddi mynd. Bydd e'n mynd. Bydd hi'n mynd. Awn ni. Byddwch yn mynd. Byddan nhw'n mynd.
Short, clear, and ready to use. Quick forms. Repeat after me. I'll go slow, you go bold. I will go.
Af.
You, singular, informal, will go.
Byddi mynd.
He will go.
Bydd e'n mynd.
She will go.
Bydd hi'n mynd.
It will go.
Bydd e'n mynd.
We will go.
Awn ni.
You, plural, polite, will go.
Byddwch yn mynd.
They will go.
Byddan nhw'n mynd.
Dialogue. The last-minute trip. Listen in and imagine you're packing at the speed of light, chaos, comedy, and clear Welsh. A. The bus is late, but it's fine.
Bydd e'n mynd.
YNIAWN. B. Totally. First.
Awn ni.
To the station, then we conquer snacks. A. If I forget my wallet.
Byddi mynd.
Without me? B. Nope. Together. At 10, the guide says.
Byddwch yn mynd.
Ir amged fa. A. And Tom? B. Don't worry.
Bydd e'n mynd.
If there's cake. A. What about Sarah? B.
Bydd hi'n mynd.
After coffee, priorities. A. And the others? B. Of course.
Byddan nhw'n mynd.
They've already packed 3 umbrellas. A. Fine.
Af.
Now before I overthink it. Call and repeat drill. Say it out loud, your sofa won't judge. Say.
Af.
Say.
Byddi mynd.
Say.
Bydd e'n mynd.
Say.
Bydd hi'n mynd.
Say.
Awn ni.
Say.
Byddwch yn mynd.
Say.
Byddan nhw'n mynd.
Speed quiz. Quick fire. I ask, you answer, then I reveal. Q. English, we will go. A.
Awn ni.
Q. Welsh for, you, plural, will go. A.
Byddwch yn mynd.
Q. She will go in Welsh. A.
Bydd hi'n mynd.
Q. Reassure a friend, it will go fine. Say the key bit. A.
Bydd e'n mynd.
YNIAWN. Q. They will go, your turn. A.
Byddan nhw'n mynd.
Bonus. You, singular, informal, will go. A.
Byddi mynd.
Culture tip. Tiny grammar, big win. Welsh uses a neat future with
Bydd.
plus pronoun plus
En.
plus verb, e.g.
Byddi mynd. Bydd e'n mynd. Bydd hi'n mynd. Byddwch yn mynd. Byddan nhw'n mynd.
You'll also hear handy short forms like
Av.
and.
Awn ni.
Perfect when someone shouts before kickoff.
Awn ni.
Exclamation mark quote. Final challenge. You've got this. Final boss time. Prompt. I will go tomorrow. Answer.
A fy fory.
Prompt. After lunch we will go together. Answer.
Ar ôl cinio, awn ni gyda'n gilydd.
Prompt. If the rain stops, you, SG, will go. Answer.
Os bydd y glaw yn stopio, byddi di'n mynd.
Prompt. They will go at 5. Answer.
Byddan nhw'n mynd am 5.
Prompt. Don't worry, it will go well. Answer.
Paid â phoeni, bydd e'n mynd yn dda.
Wrap up. High five, you did it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these future forms, drop them into your day and you'll sound smoother than a Welsh vowel harmony. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For transcripts, drills, and more, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time.
Awn ni.